Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own color palette on CapCut PC. So freeze frame your video or use a photo. Then you are going to go to the effects section and you're going to type in mosaic, blur, add it and blur it till it's 100%. Then you're just going to mask it like the colors one by one into a square shape like that, and just copy and paste it and like go to the next color, copy and paste that and go to the next color, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm just going to put this like side by side. I know there's a little bit of purple, but you're just going to do it a little bit more neat than I am right now. Go to text and add in your default text. Then you're going to select the color, I don't know what this is called, I forgot. Color picker, yes. And then select the color and then just copy and paste it with a hashtag in the front, and I just like to put it in all caps lock. You can change the font as well here, and you can change the color of the text if you want after. And you're just going to do that for the remaining colors. So for this one, it's this, copy and paste, make it caps lock and color it white again. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.